Hey guys, this is question MM187 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So here we've got this function y equals root 3 take x squared, and it's worth 1 mark, and we need to find the derivative, so dy dx. This is a really common first couple questions in exam 1, so try and get used to these as always. So first things first is we need to recognize which rule we're going to be using, right? Because we can't derive this normally because we've got a function within another function. Okay, we've got a function under our square root. So because of the fact that we have a function within a function, we know that we need to use the chain rule. And as you go, guys, you'll just pick up which rules you have to use and you'll get used to it. So 3 take x squared is the function that's inside our other function, so we need to replace that with a u. So y equals root u, where u equals 3 take x squared. As always, our derivative is equal to dy du times du dx. dy du is our derivative of y equals root u. I will break this down a little bit for you, just so that you can see exactly if you're not too familiar with it. So we know that y is equal to u to the power of a half because the square root of something is equal to that something to the power of a half, right? When we derive, or differentiate, we take the power out the front, so 1/2 u, and then we minus 1 from that power. So 1/2 minus 1 is equal to -1/2, which means that we get 1/2 to the half, because when we get negative, we just put that to the bottom of our fraction, which is equal to 1/2 root u. Oops, I should not have said dy dx, I should have said dy du. Cool. So our dy du is equal to 1/2 root u. Awesome. And then du dx is just the derivative of this, which is -2x. So du dx equals -2x, which means that our dy dx is equal to this, so 1/2 root u multiplied by -2x. Sweet. From here, we get dy dx equals -2x over 2 root u, but we know that u is equal to 3 take x squared. So we get -2x over 2 root 3 take x squared. And then these 2's can just cancel out. So we get -x over root 3 take x squared. Pretty straightforward question, guys. As always, it is a little hard to tell what VCAR would give for this. I've seen this question get 1 mark, and I've also seen it get 2 marks for pretty much the same thing. So just be prepared either way, but if you just follow this working, it shouldn't take you too long once you get used to them. As always, you get 1.5 minutes per mark. So even if this was worth 1 mark, you can still pretty easily do this in 1.5 minutes if you're used to it. So first mark there. If it was a 2-mark question, the first mark would simply be finding what dy du and du dx are and plugging those in. And then your second mark would come here when you've actually finished the question. So hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions. But otherwise, guys, thanks for watching.